Hello, this is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this video, we'll learn how to log in to Assyst Lawyer from the website. So the first step is to open up your browser. After opening your browser, click on the URL and type in Assyst Lawyer. Now press enter. Now click on the first link. Assyst Lawyer is an online mortgage processing solution that links lawyers and notaries to lenders. So to log in, you will need username and your password. So type in your username. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this link and you can recover your username or your password. Now press on login. Following this simple step, you can log into the Assyst real estate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.